Okay students, so now we are having a question here. It is saying given encoded ASCII code. It is a ASCII code encoded. So find the message. What the message it is having is the question. Okay, so now I am reading loud the codes so that you can write it and then you can practice it. So the code is here 1001000. It is 1000101 and it is 1001100 and it is 1010000. Okay, so this is the question and this is the code. Now the question is, the encoded message is in ASCII. Okay, what the message it is having. So now how to solve the question? To solve the question, I have written a table that will help us to find the message. So table is simply denoting all the capital letters starting from 65 to 90, capital A to capital Z. So now what we will do, we will convert every 7 bits into the decimal, and from the decimal we will get the character. So first we are starting from here. It is giving 00000101. So it is giving code 80. So if you will convert the given code, you will get 8080, which is the code for letter P. So we will later find out the code represents which character, but we will first find the decimal equivalent, which is ASCII code of the given binaries. So it is representing 76, it is representing 69, and it is representing 72. So this you will have to do. What you will have to do? You will have to convert each group of 7 bit from binary to decimal to get the ASCII in decimal form. So now we have got 72, 69, 76 and 80. So 72, 72. The 72 is representing the character H. So we will write H. 69, 69 is representing E. 67, 67 is representing L. And 80, 8080 is representing P. So the message is HELP. The message is help. So it is your answer. Okay, you got the idea? So this is the method how the computer converts the given message into the binary equal ASCII value and then into the binary, and then it is stored into the computer memory. And when the computer wants to give you some result, so the result is first in the form of binary. So computer converts the binary data into the ASCII equivalent codes. Then from the codes it obtains the message, and after obtaining the message it displays or prints the message as required. Okay, so I think you have got the idea to represent the characters in one of the widely used method, which is ASCII. Further we are having ISCII. ISCII stands for Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. So ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ISCII is Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. And there is an another numbers representation code, which is Unicode. So computer also uses the Unicode and ISCII. ISCII for various Indian languages like Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Udiya, Kannada, etc. And Unicode is universal code for all the computer systems. Okay, so you have got the idea about the ASCII, and now I will give you some question on the base of this video. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, thanks for watching.